Hi guys, kasama ko po ang digos goodvibes, si Wang, Waray, and Wang Ising. Ganito po sila pag morning beauties.
Luya kayo si ising.
Huwag mo yung lagi mong luha, girls. Oh, tanawa mo.
Ay, dali.
Manay Kinita! Hi guys! Good morning! Tapos na po ang birthday ni Chocolate at ngayon linis na po sila. Yan. Good morning, Maring!
Actually, today is my birthday talaga.
Ay, ngayon ang birthday mo?
Yes.
Ayun po si Chocolate, naglilinis na po siya kasi siya po ang nagkalat, siya po ang maglinis.
Yes, kasi magagaling yun si Boy TV.
Hi, Wang Waray! How's your stay in Davao? Pumayat ka talaga, Day. Oh?
Kasi na-in love.
Diet po. May money diet.
Why are you luyalation?
I just woke up.
Diba yung mga mata natin na bubak pa, Day? May mga, ano pa tayo, may mga... Ayan. Hi, Wang Ising! How's your Chuli Lakers last night?
Very much.
Ang boga mo pala Chuli, no? Kasi So, how's the birthday celebration of Wang Chocolate?
Very satisfying.
Ah. So, ito po mga balloons. Ayan. Wang, ano masasabi mo ngayon, Wang, na ano na tayo? Palaki ng palaki ang Team Attitude Family. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo, Wang?
Ang ganda.
Maingay ba tayo masyado?
Sanay kasi ako sa maingay. Tapos, mas enjoy pag marami.
Yes.
The more chances, the more entries.
Kasi kasi sa Team Attitude, meron na tayong gay. Meron na rin tayong mga mayet. Meron na rin tayong cake. Okay ba sa'yo kung meron tayong girls?
Sa akin pag may yan. Gayet kasi ako eh.
Gusto niya ng girls kasi gusto niya talaga ng mga girls.
Wala ko editing.
Gusto niya ng ate, gusto niya ng girl.
Totoo po, ang mayit mo sa amin, ako po.
Oh, si Wang Ising talaga ang mayin. Hoy, congrats Wang Ising sa sweldo mo.
Thank you, naubos na po.
Yes. In fairness, si Wang Ising is nag-share talaga siya, nagpasabog siya dito ng brush na marami pong nakakain. So, Wang Ising, how is it na may sweldo? Anong feeling na may sweldo na?
Ano sa mga yung feeling na may sweldo na tapos naubos na napakasakit po sa heart.
Bakit naubos?
Ay, binili ko po tapos
Marami ka bang binayaran?
maraming binayaran utang tapos
At least, di ba?
tapos wala nang utang.
Wala ka ng utang. Eh, bakit napakasaya mo? Is it na nanalo ka sa showgay?
Hindi ako nanalo. Si Kirubin.
Si Kerwin, first runner-up ka. At saka, impromptu yun, di ba? Impromptu.
Gusto niyo mga din manay, baga na.
It's really like,
Isa na.
Ano ba?
mukhang nagluya ka, Wang. Inanajud ka? Swingy!
Ano yung twingy?
Swingy!
Ano yung twingy nga?
Happy birthday! Ngayon ni Sir.
Ano yung twingy?
Swingy is a friend. Swingy.
Hindi.
Ano yun?
Kasi ang sounds is not friend.
No, swingy is a sound a friend. It
No.
means swingy.
Please, Manay, give your attitude.
No. How's your birthday right now? Napakabait yung chocolate,
Okay lang
oh.
po, Manay. I'm so happy.
Feel ko chocolate na magpapadala sa'yo ng regalo. Kasi napakabait mo, naglinis ka dyan, oh.
Kung maglilinis talaga bago mag-alis ng House of Love.
Oh.
Kasi mag-uwi na kami ng
Actually, si
bisita.
Chocolate dito, hindi siya buwisita. Bisita talaga siya kasi Naglilinis talaga siya. Punta ka ng house, doon ka maglinis ng chocolate.
Ayun na, hindi ka nga magpapunta.
Kasi happy.
So ano yung ano, kumusta ang birthday mo?
Happy tayo kumanay, Kineta.
Kenetta?
Yeah.
Can you please speak in English? How was your birthday?
I'm so very fine
Why?
and very happy and contented.
Contented.
Contented rather.
Why?
Because there are a lot of visitors here.
Yeah, a lot of people love you.
And especially to this one of the sponsors.
If you will receive a gift, what would it be? Your wish?
I will be if I'm given a chance to
Have a gift.
I have a gift. A
There's
gift
nothing chance at all.
is I want trip to Boracay.
Wow, amazing.
Or maybe trip to Jerusalem.
I heard that you sell to
PNC
Mrs.
flight.
Wang your consider.
What?
Your consider?
What do you mean?
You're selling your
Condenser?
consider. You said consider.
I'm a dancer.
Good dancer.
I'm so sorry, Manay, for that because my mouth is full.
Oh.
So I cannot be conquered what I'm talking about.
So what are your thoughts about people? What do you say? Victory. What is your saying last night?
What are your question? I can't understand because your English is very poor.
Oh.
Can you clear your English? Sure that
I want to clear everything. What happened to you last night, Wang Ising?
I'm just kidding.
It's defeat.
What's that? Chocolate?
So man,
Defeat with ano?
defeat and victory.
Wow. Very amazing very amazing line.
What can you say about Daryl's own birthday greet to you? Of course.
I'm
I have a-
very happy because Jarrell is greet me a happy birthday. So
Wow.
I can
Darrell
I
always
cannot be manage myself. So how can I shock?
Mura siya kag correct chocolate.
Walang tinuod ba?
So dito tayo.
Masabtan ba yun? Losing Catholics na English na masabtan siya.
Masabang nga nato ako nalisod kay irong grammar kay siya.
So Wang Ising, back to you. So how happy are you right now?
Maybe.
You have a racket.
Yes.
Oh my, another dots.
5,000 each.
Oh, yun mo mga tao. Kano? Where is your racket later?
Digos, di ay unique
Digos day mo? Ano sa sakyan ninyo? Wow! So, what are your plans for the future of the children in our future?
I have a lot of plans in my backyard.
Oh!
I have a lot of plans to become very successful YouTubers, and all the member of Team Attitude will also succeed.
Wow, yes. And I heard that you will be part of a collaboration from different superstars in the social media world, like Ruel Ucat, the Medyo Maldito.
Soon?
Yeah, and Snake Princess with Ruel Divina.
Yes. We will do a short collaboration because helping each other is the best policy.
Wow. So, are you going to be a superstar also?
I'm not contented.
Because I know myself as superstar already.
No, I'm contented who I am right now. That I do my best to become a better than
What
her.
do you say about the bashers?
Continue bashing because bashing is
The key to success?
bashing is more. Because of the bashing, you earn subscriber.
Oh.
Yes.
So, how many subscribers do you have right now?
Almost 39, 100 something before 39.
Oh, road to 100K.
Yes, road, very road.
Yeah.
Slowly down the road.
So, who will be the next Team Attitude who will receive his first salary?
I think, wang waray, because
So, how big will we expect?
6 digit,
OMG!
maybe 100,000 or something.
Wow!
Yes, next, this is one.
So, Mrs. Wang, how big is her salary, Mrs. Wang Ising? What do
digit only.
5 digit.
5 digit. I total it already.
how much is the 5 digit?
99.
Oh! Are you
Almost 6 digit. Pag-ibutin na ng 1,000 para 6 digit.
So why are you not cooking right now, Ising?
Because wala na ikuan.
No.
No ulam na.
Why no ginamay last night? I expect that you will cook ginamay.
Because out of budget.
Oh.
And today we don't have eat yet. We don't eat yet because out of stocks.
Wow. So we have another girl here. Oh, Wang is Wang.
Lagi yung pumpon mo na eh.
Ha? Ha? Ano ang girl, oh?
Yung balay na kapangit, anak. Asa pagka-girl, anak, kapangit, anak.
Gwapa kay si Chocolate, oh.
Malayo, malayo. Sige,
The,
dito ka.
the magic continues.
Guwapa, guwapa. Oh, guwapa pa.
So there you have it, guys. Yun po ang aming morning. So grabe, ang dami pa rin mga blessings sa Team Attitude and more pang darating, guys. Yours truly, Manay, Kinito!
Wang Ising TV!
Mrs. Wang? No, ito.
Ayun, man. At saka kasama ko rin si...
Vlog!
Chocolate lang.
Si Kagluya Chocolate. Hala, nagdabog ka.
Naging po, guys.